Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to talk about the best 3 websites to animate your images to videos for free. So let's start the video. The first on my list is Pika Labs. Once you come to this site, click on this join beta, and you will be taken to a Discord invite link. And accept that invite link and you should log into your Discord account. And you will see an icon like this in Discord. Click on that. And come to this generate section and select any platform to generate your video. I am selecting generate 10 option. And from here you should type /image and it will appear here. And you should upload your image from here and click on this prompt and type how your video should be animated, for example like running, and click on enter. And this will take some time to animate your video. And this was the final result. Second on my list is Laopix. Once you came to this site, log into this site. And from here, you should upload your image and you can do basic settings from this section like this, and you can download it from here. And this was the final result. And last on my list is Runway. Once you came to this site, click on this start with image. And you should upload your image from here and click on generate and it will generate your video. And you can download it from here. And this was the final result. So if you think this video was helpful for you, so click on that subscribe button and like the video. So see you in the next video. Till then, good luck.